Welcome to our YouTube channel.
What are you gonna be doing on your YouTube channel today?
Slime.
You're gonna make some slime?
Yay.
This is what we have here.
Yeah,
The Galactic
the
Slime Gloop.
Yeah, blue.
Okay. Let me see. Let me turn the camera around. Okay. Here's just the parental supervision.
I have the slime, so we're gonna be opening it up. Okay?
I'll help you do that.
Okay, sir.
Let's see what we got here.
Yeah. I'm gonna do slime right now. Whoa.
Everything you need to make slime.
Oh my freaking gosh.
Here, babe. You gotta read the instructions to us. Come on. Come on, hurry up.
Okay. Ha, I'm so excited.
We're so excited. Her YouTube channel.
It's on my YouTube channel. So we're gonna make game slime. Guys, comment down below. Whoever makes slime, comment down below. All the
Instructions goes to the other parent here. We got glue. Wait. We got glue. Here's your mixing stick. What is this? We got our dye. There's blue dye. Blue dye, don't lose it. And we got purple dye. We got our mixing spoon. We got some more glue. Get off the table like that.
Okay.
Sodium.
Sodium.
And we have glitter.
Glitter.
Another mixing spoon.
Another mixing.
Measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
And I have no idea what the heck this is.
Glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark paint.
I know why.
Alright, what do we need, a bowl?
Yes.
What do we need, a bowl?
I think so. I'm gonna get one.
Let mom get it. Well, get a bowl, get a bowl.
Okay.
We got our expert tea.
I'll get a bowl.
Gang. Can you help us get a bowl? Are you reading the instructions or what? Alright, we're not gonna use this. We're gonna use this today. And let's make blue. Blue slime, 1 glitter, 1 salt. We're gonna save this for the next couple times. Well, that big one, get a small bowl. We're not gonna make all of it. We're gonna do 1 glue. 1 glue, glitter, salt. 1 spoon.
Daddy,
Blue, you want blue dye or you want purple dye?
I want purple dye.
Purple? Okay, let's do the purple dye. Alright, we have everything we need here.
Yes.
Show everybody your robe, your Minnie Mouse robe.
Right. Here we go.
Okay, we
This
got
is for you
1
to
bowl.
take a shower.
What's the first step, babe?
One disposable cup with warm water.
Disposable cup with warm water?
Yeah, 8.4.
This is it?
Yeah.
1 cup? 1 water. Can you get the water? Glue.
I want the purple dye.
You're not gonna do it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let you do it. Just chill. You gotta know how much to do it. Okay. Let's open it up.
This slime's so awesome. Right, Daddy? I'm so excited. Okay, guys. We got here some glue,
Some dye.
some dye.
Some glow in the dark. What is this?
It's glitter.
And this?
And we got
Sodium.
sodium and a stick. The mix.
Okay, here, give it to Destiny. Give it. All right, pour pour 1 cup of water in there. Next step.
Next step.
Using a spoon, add in 1 level spoonful of the sodium.
Okay, 1 spoonful of sodium.
Can I do it?
Where's your scissors?
Can I do it, Daddy?
Give me scissors.
Daddy. Your scissors.
Never mind, I got it. Okay.
Can I do it,
Right
Daddy?
here. Hold this right here.
Can I do it?
Hold the spoon in the water right there. Hold it right there. No. She Jesus Christ. Hold it like this. Hold it.
Okay.
Don't put it in there.
Don't.
Don't put it in there. Hold it like this. Just hold it right there.
There, that's enough.
Now,
Now
put it
mix
in.
it till it dissolves.
Now mix it in there.
Alright. Okay, guys, you gotta mix it when it dissolves, okay, guys?
Look.
Oh, it's dissolving, guys.
Let me check you out. Let me help you.
Okay.
Let's see.
It